My name is Norma Corrado, and that's what we're going to do now. The first step is to study the azalea flower. Let's draw the 5 lines, radiating from a common center. Now we can create the 5 petals of the azalea. They are long and irregular. To achieve this, we'll use the drawn lines as the central axis for each petal. Well, we already know what the petals look like. Next, let's study the leaves. They are oval-shaped with well-defined veins. In the center of the flower, there's the pistil. Drawing it simply, the pistils are lines of varying lengths that emanate from the flower's center. At the end of each line, we'll draw an oval-shaped dot. The bud is also oval and quite simple. With this technique, we can draw the azalea flower from different angles. To do this, simply decrease or increase the size of the petals on one side of the flower. Change the direction of the pistils, creating a new perspective. Now that we understand the desired flower structure, let's create a floral arrangement using the learned technique. I teach this flower technique and others in my book, Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of a Sketch. The book is available for purchase on Amazon. The link to buy it is in the video description. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.